Okay, guys, namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. We are back again today. I've got a good project for you, but before that, please support my channel and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Please like if the content you find it informative and useful. Okay, guys, I want to talk about a token sale, right? And it's called Verse. Verse is a token and it is by bitcoin.com. Now everybody, especially the newbies, when they come in, a lot of them come through not only Coinbase and Binance, they also come through bitcoin.com. It's been around since what, like 2015. So now they are going DeFi. Okay, they're moving into DeFi. They have their own chain. It's called a smart BCH. So bitcoin.com are the same guys behind Bitcoin Cash. A lot of people don't like them. A lot of Bitcoin maxis don't like all the BCH fellows and all that. They have got some issues with that, and but that's okay. Whatever it is, we are here to make money, right? So the thing is that Bitcoin Cash now is going to DeFi, and they have come up with a token, and that is called Verse. Okay, so what is Verse going to do, right? So before that, I want to talk about what bitcoin.com is and why is it quite powerful, right? So bitcoin.com has attracts and retains countless of newcomers to crypto via their brand and domain, news and educational offerings, easy to use products and recommendation for millions of users. So if you go into bitcoin.com, right, so you can see inside here, it's a gateway to Bitcoin. Yes, you can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin. They've got an exchange. They have 31 million over wallets created. Okay, and it's a fiat on ramp. You can use fiat money and you can use dollars or your other currencies to buy Bitcoin, right? So it's similar to Coinbase. Okay, you can buy and sell the cryptocurrency. It's a place where you can get news, right? You can track your market data, you can track the data of your favorite coins, as well as they are also Bitcoin, where they provide crypto news. So people will come. A lot of people are subscribed to their news, channel, and their their news medium, their website, and all that. And a lot of people stay are kept informed using bitcoin.com, right? So they have already an established product, whether you like it or not. They already have millions of users on the platform, right? So they have been around since 2015 trying to educate people, trying of course they came out with Bitcoin Cash, where they where they forked Bitcoin and they said Bitcoin Cash is the better Bitcoin. So I don't think so, and I am not into Bitcoin Cash, although I got Bitcoin Cash and I sold it and I bought more Bitcoin that time. I'm so, you know how old I am, right? So I've been through that. So a lot of people who had Bitcoin were airdropped Bitcoin Cash. So I think it was in 2017. So yeah, I sold mine for Bitcoin. So yeah, so you could even play games with Bitcoin on this, right? So yeah, so it's a huge product which about 2.5 million active traders, and now they are coming out with this token, and this is what it is. The Verse Text. The Verse Text is already there. They have already launched the Verse Text. I can show it to you here. Right, it's already here, right? You could use it, you could try it out, right? It works. Okay, so you can see a smart BCH bridge, right? It's all working product, right? It's no like they are raising money and then they are going to build, no such thing. They've already done that. Okay, what else? The exchange is there. The card, they're going to come out with a card. So the Verse token, like I want to say, is primarily a rewards token. It's the utility and rewards token of the bitcoin.com full ecosystem, and you can use that Verse and you can integrate inside your Bitcoin wallet, right? You can get points. It's similar to the Binance and the CRO, right? Of right the it's a similar model where you take your credit card and you can earn you're in CRO, right? So yeah, and so with 29 million wallets created and over 5 million monthly active users, it's time to launch a mechanism to reward our community for buying and selling, spending, swapping, investing, and staying informed about crypto. So Verse is a utility token and reward token distributed to users who contribute and participate in the bitcoin.com ecosystem, right? And they are, like I showed you, they have a very big ecosystem already, right? So if you provide liquidity to the Verse, you can to Verse DEX, you can earn that coin. You can earn the Verse coin, right? You stake Verse and you earn rewards, right? You earn cash back if you buy something, and you can earn cash back. Use Verse as a collateral in lending pools. Trade Verse for a favorite crypto, right? And get access to exclusive services. So it's similar to CRO, BNB, FTT, and all that. So you can take a look here, right? This is how they have positioned themselves, right? Every project positioned themselves better than all the others. So right, so let's go into the tokenomics, right? So it's a cross-chain token, okay, built on the ERC20 standard, right, and expanding into the low-fee EVM compatible chain. So sooner or later it will go into your Polygon. It will be able to be EVM compatible to across different chain, Phantom and all that, right? So this is Verse. The total supply is 210 billion. A lot of supply. Yes, correct. Emission schedule is 7 years. Okay. Fully diluted market cap is 504 million. Okay. Fully diluted market cap. That means the cost of the price, the cost of the token, and the supply, right? So if you take the fully diluted value and divided by market supply, right, you will get the estimated cost of the token price where they're going to sell. So roughly it's going to be 0.0024. 0.0024. That is roughly the cost of the coin, the offering. Okay, roughly. Why I say roughly is because they are having two token sales. Token sale A, which they released already, which they raised 30 over million dollars, and people like KuCoin Ventures, Digital Strategy, they took part in that, right? So they raised 33 million. It's easy for Bitcoin.com to raise that much because Bitcoin.com, is Roger Ver, right? So Roger Ver is very influential and he has a lot of money, right? So for him, this is nothing actually, right? So there's another sale called Token B. Okay, so the token sale B. So the token sale B is the one that we are going to go in, right? So is roughly at it's depending on how much they can raise, and that will correspond to their price. So but roughly I'm saying it's going to be around the area of 0.0024. Okay, so you can read more about the tokenomics. I'll leave the link for you, all right, on the description box. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, so 35. So the team is going to have 15% of tokens. Anything more than 15% is usually, we like to look at it more deeper, right? But 15% is a normal for team, right? So this is the emission schedule. So what I like about this, yes, it's 210 billion, right? Supply, huge supply. But the good thing about this is that a portion of all fees generated across Bitcoin.com Verse ecosystem will be used to buy back and burn Verse, beginning immediately and in perpetuity, right? All buybacks and subsequent burns will be visible and transparent on the blockchain. That is what I want. I want to see it, but it's 210 billion, right? So as long as there is as long as there are mechanisms, as long as it is deflationary, right? And they have used some form of deflationary token mechanisms. That is good because you know that the supply will not, it will be less and less and getting less and less and less and less. So that is what I want, right? I want to see. Okay, so the things that you can do with the token is not only you can provide liquidity, of course you can also yield farm with it, right? If you put it into the verse DEX, if you put it into the liquidity pool, you can receive additional rewards in the form of verse token. You can exchange verse for other crypto assets via the verse DEX and bitcoin.com exchange. You can pay for press releases and ads, media packages. So companies who want to advertise, okay, they on bitcoin.com or on their news channel, they can pay in verse and they will get a discount. That's a utility, right? Merchandise, they pay for bitcoin and verse merchandise using verse. So there's many utilities for this coin. So the utility of the coin is important. So I think they managed to figure out, and I think it's quite good. Okay, and what I like is the payments part. Okay, the payments part is where you send crypto with bitcoin.com card and earn cashback rewards in the form of verse. So if you spend crypto, so if you spend crypto with that card which they're going to release soon, you can get cashback in verse. So why not, right? I think it's fantastic. And you can also earn verse in the form of cashback for buying, selling and swapping crypto assets via the bitcoin.com app and bitcoin.com exchange. I don't use bitcoin.com, okay, I don't use it, but I like what they're doing because they've already established, they've got all the they've all got the revenue streams and they are just making use of it. So they are just launching verse and tapping into those revenue streams and making a utility for verse, which can be quite a good it could have quite a high demand, right? So you can use it as a collateral, as a lending pools or lend verse to earn rewards. So there's so many things, even NFT marketplace also, So guys, I think this is a good project. Let me know what you think about it. I think these guys are solid, big people, right? Of course, you put the personality aside, I don't care about that, but they've already got an established business and they're going to launch a coin. They're going to DeFi and they have already launched it, but they are going to launch the token for their DeFi a product, and I think it's going to do well. Yeah, I think it's going to go well, right? So that's all I have for you, and let me know what you think, and you should let me know what other projects you are looking at. So leave a comment below. I really love to hear from you, and let me know what gems you're finding. That's important, right? We all want to see what are the best gems out there, right? So I'll need your help, and subscribe if you haven't. And that's all I have for you today. Namaste.